Hello, everyone. Ding 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 ding. Ta. Hello. Let's find out what's inside of these two fish. It's a fish eggs for Easter egg. See, look how cute. They're so cute, right? All right, which one we gonna open first? This one or this one? Hmm. You first. No, you first. Nope, you. No, you first. No way. Nope, you. Oh, okay. Me first. Alright, let's open the goldfish. Isn't it cute, right? Oh, so cute. Okay, see what's inside. Okay. Ooh, what's in here? What's this? Alright, let's open it. Oh, it's a gummy candy. Gummy bear. See? It's a bear. Oh. Alright, that's good. Alright, let's close this one. And now it's the shark one. Let's see what's inside in here. Look at this. Alright, let's open it. Ooh, wow. Oh, we have Smarties. I love this one. And what is this? Oh, a sour candy. And this one, another sour candy. Nice. We got 3 candies, but let's open this one. I love the Smarties. See, look. See, these are candies. Yum. Okie dokie. That was nice. Alright. Okay, thank you for watching. Until next time. See ya.